Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn of AhmedDunn.com. Today I'll have another episode of DaVinci tips and tricks video, and I'll talk about how to audio sync in DaVinci Resolve. If this is your first time or repeat visit, thank you for your support on this hybrid channel. I'm always trying new and different ideas to take you beyond boundaries. If you're into thinking outside the box, this is the channel for you. If you're looking for more tips and trick videos, there'll be links in the description box below. So if you have a video clip and if you recorded separate audio for the video clip, you can easily sync them in DaVinci Resolve, and that's what I'll show you today. So I have two audio and video clips right here. So this is the video clip and this is the audio clip for the video, which was recorded separately, and I would like to sync them. So I already put them in timeline. First thing, I would like to show you something. So if you just highlight them in the timeline and if you right click, then here you can see that you don't see the option to sync audio. So what it means that, in order to sync audio and video, you have to do that in the media folder. You will not be able to do it in timeline. So for example, if I highlight both of these together, which I'm about to sync, so for example, this is the audio and this is the video. So I highlighted both of them, and if I right click on it, then here you can see that I'm getting the option auto sync audio. Now if you choose that option, then you're going to see four different options. One is based on timecode, and timecode plus append tracks, and then again based on waveform and append tracks. So timecode is not usually we deal with. This is kind of like for movie or TV films where they have the exact timecode and they can sync by timecode. So for most of us, we would use the waveform and append tracks. So based on waveform, if you choose that option, so what will happen that DaVinci Resolve will remove the bad audio from your video and replace it with the recorded separate audio. So basically you're going to have one video clip with the good audio. And if you choose this option, waveform and append tracks, then what happens, DaVinci is going to give you the video clip with the good audio, but at the same time it is going to put the separate audio underneath the video audio. So let's start with the based on waveform first, then I'll show you what happens. So if I click here, then you can see that this has been completed. So what happened now, this audio right here is the video from the recorded video, which is right here. So for example, this is my video clip right here, but the original audio of the video has been replaced with this audio. So for example, if I play this right here, then in 3 minutes you're going to find out. So DaVinci Resolve replace the video audio with the recorded audio. So let's choose these two clips again, and if I right click and auto sync audio and based on waveform and append tracks, so it's done. So now if I put this video clip here, so you can see that the video clip has two audio. So this is the replaced audio from this recorder, which is right here, and this is the audio from the original recorder, which is right here. It just, DaVinci is just putting this audio separately. So if I play this audio either here,
today I'll have another episode of travel,
or here,
you're going to find out what you need to keep.
So this is just a way to keep the original audio with your video attached, but in general I don't use this option. I always use only the sync audio, for example from here, just based on waveform, because I don't need to keep the recorded audio right underneath the audio which already has been replaced with the recorded audio. So basically that's how you sync audio and video in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching this video. For the next video, I'm going to put a link on the screen. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.